When you are redoing your RV or camper or any other trailer's roof, you want to make sure that you are doing it right. And that is where this comes in. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is our RV roof seam tape. The product code for this tape is RP-1710. So this roof seam tape helps prevent sagging. It goes over the seams of your plywood before you put your final roof on, like your rubber roof or your fiberglass roof. So this covers the seams of your plywood. So this tape is really great. It helps prevent sagging of your roof, and it is made out of this very fine fiberglass mesh. The tape is breathable, and it even allows the adhesive of your roofing material to permeate through the tape, creating a stronger bond. These tape rolls come in sections, or the whole tape roll is 300 feet, so you should have plenty of it to finish your roofing project. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out the link down in the description. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.